nobody. It's that 9-5 shit right here. Take 'em back to the 90s. Okay, now take a trip inside my mind like you was on the Venice. It's me and B.I.G. I love me, I'm cooking like chemists. Take 'em back to way back when like Dennis the Menace. Wasn't me, I'm on the come up like a young apprentice. Smoking weed and getting higher than a flight attendant. Hip-hop, you're sending gold Jesus on my business. Gotta pull it up for everyone that's in attendance. Okay, back in the day as a college park tenant. Still can't believe I didn't get a shorty pregnant. Man, that's the definition of a life sentence. A whole lot of beef, no bread, no lettuce. Cause I couldn't keep it in my briefs. Man, that's pathetic. Fuck all that back and forth, this ain't a game of tennis. I'll be in my motherfucking chamber like the Senate. Scared to go outside, but I know I can't prevent it. Forever alone in my mind. See, I'm a self-diagnosed hypochondriac. Either at the crib or on the tour buses where you find me at. Yeah, I know that I'm living like I got the dope, yeah. But I swear that I'm not that neurotic over here. Yeah, yeah, over here, 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 over here.
Hey yo, fuck all that. It's the fat young Jesus. Look prestigious. Got the money, you play in the field, man, like Regis. Better believers, grabbing your bitches, cleavage like I went from surveying to Super Saiyan slaying the man. Bitches wanna know the girl outside the teams and crying like I said. Young cannibal, eat whack MCs like Hannibal. Cause Joe Pesci's my spirit animal.
Over here, yeah, yeah, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Okay, the flow delicious, body hot like Sid Vicious. The young Spiegel, and a stellar with my retrieval. Further from evil, I throw this shit back like medieval. I spit it out like a beretta, you know I get better by giving it people. Not a fuck giving, checking method, that's how we living. Always been driven, had to say they been never hidden. Never turn to the jet, I bitch, I bet I do the show and catch a bet. I always say I leave them, then I know I do. This shit is overdue, pass me the fifth and I'm coming through. The B.I.G.L.E.M.B. on the way to Rio. Ideal skills, looking for a and leading to hold the brother down like the white man. Fuck that, no. Hey yo, enough's enough, man, I'm my word, I never bluff. Even in the pair of cuffs, no, we always keep it real like goddamn. Don't even step like I ain't the man, I'm just 301 reppin'. Second I step in Maryland, I gotta conceal it like a murder weapon. I kept in the ground, rap back, you know it's all love. We don't feel it, so fuck you if you ain't feel it. Throw a mile it off in your crib and tell them bitches the village, we the illest. Finger fucking critic, shit is darker than the chronicles of Riddick. Guess I did it while it